Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Today we are going to revise the irregularities in Sarf. This is a revision session, so make sure that you have already done this before. And if you have not done this before, then try to go through it many times, multiple times. You should do the normal Sarf, and then we can revise irregular Sarf in a better way. You should go through introduction of Sarf and the families, different families and the rules. And then, inshallah, come to irregularities. Don't jump to irregularities. Otherwise, they will be very confusing. And they will make even the normal Sarf difficult for you, although it is not. There is nothing difficult about Sarf. Sarf is like tables. Anyone who has done math tables? I remember when I told my children to start learning the tables, they used to cry. And when they had learned all the tables, then they were very happy and they would just tell me the tables like as if it's their friend's name or something. So everything seems difficult, and especially if you're doing it with the intention of Quran, then Shaitan is going to make it seem extra difficult. It is not. So irregularities in Sarf. Introduction. There are three types of irregularities in Sarf. They are Mahmuz, when one of the root letters is a Hamza. Muda'af, when two of the root letters, especially Lam kalima and Ain kalima, are the same. And Mu'attal, when one or two of the root letters are vowels. Ya or Waw. Studying these irregularities is significant because they disrupt the normal patterns we learned in the previous chapters. Knowing these irregularities and how they function is the only way to properly derive the root letter, the form, and the family. So, Mahmuz, it is possible for the Hamza to occur either as the first letter, the second letter, or the third letter. When the first root letter is a Hamza, the word is called Mahmuz al-Fa. Second root letter is Hamza, the word is called Mahmuz al-Ain. And third root letter is Hamza, the word is called Mahmuz al-Lam. And you can see the examples of Mahmuz al-Fa, Mahmuz al-Ain, and Mahmuz al-Lam. Then we have Muda'af. The word Muda'af literally means multiplied, and the word is classified as Muda'af when the second and third root letters are the same. For example, Kassa yakussu. So the root letters are Kaf, Swad, Swad. Then you can see the Lam and Ain kalima are the same. Then we have the Mu'attal, and this has Al-Mithal, Al-Ajwaf, Naqis, and Lafif. When the first root letter is a vowel, Waw or Ya, the word is classified as Mithal, and the example of that would be the word Wada'a. So the root letters are Waw, Dod, and Ain. Notice that the first root letter is a vowel, Wada'a. Al-Ajwaf, when the second root letter is a Waw or Ya, the word is classified as Ajwaf. So first was Mithal, when the first root letter is a vowel. Ajwaf is when the second root letter is the vowel, and Naqis is when the third root letter is the vowel. Da'a yad'u. And for this you can make a short form man, M-A-N. And that will help you remember this. In Mu'attal we have Misal, Ajwaf, Naqis, Lafif Mafrook, and Lafif Makroon. So Lafif Mafrook is when the first and third root letters are vowels. The first and third root letters are vowels. This is Lafif Mafrook, Waqa, Yaqi. And the Lafif Makroon is when the second and third root letters are vowels. And so they are paired together like this. Lava, Yelvi. So let's go through it once again. We'll go through it 3 times. Mahmuz is one of the root letters is a Hamza. It is a Mahmuz. One of the root letters is a Hamza. It is Mahmuz. 2 root letters are the same. It is Muda'af, and Mu'attal has 1 or 2 of the root letters as vowels. Waw or Ya. Mahmuz, Muda'af, Mu'attal. Mahmuz, Muda'af, Mu'attal. So Mahmuz is when one of the root letters is a Hamza. Muda'af is when 2 of the root letters are the same. And Mu'attal are when 1 or 2 of the root letters are vowels. So let's see. Mahmuz al-Fa, Mahmuz al-Ain, Mahmuz al-Lam. Mahmuz al-Fa, Mahmuz al-Ain, Mahmuz al-Lam means when Mahmuz al-Fa, the Fa letter is the Hamza, and Mahmuz al-Ain, Ain letter is Hamza, Mahmuz al-Lam, Lam letter is the Hamza. Muda'af is when the root letters are multiplied and when the second and third root letters are the same. So, Kasta, Yakusu, Qaf, Sod, Sod. Ain and Lam kalima are the same. Mu'attal is, there are different categories. Mu'attal, Misal, Ajwaf, Naqis. Misal is when the first root letter is a vowel, Ya or Waw. So Misal is first root letter. The Fa kalima is a vowel. Misal is Fa kalima, vowel. That is Wada'a. And Ajwaf is when it's in the center, Ain. When the Ain kalima is a vowel. And Naqis is when the Lam al kalima is the vowel. And then there's Lafif. Lafif is when either first or third, or the second 2 letters are vowels. It has 2 vowels. Lafif has 2 vowels. Misal, Ajwaf, and Naqis have 1 vowel, either Ya or Waw. Lafif has 2 vowels. It can either be same or both are different. So in Lafif, there is Lafif Mafrook when first and third root letters are vowels, and Lafif Makroon when second and third root letters are vowels. So this is the revision, and inshallah we'll go deeper into it when we will do Sarf of all these words separately, inshallah. So we will have to, first we have to just memorize the names and what they are, inshallah. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.